How much should you actually spend on a racing wheel for PC? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Logitech G920 Driving Force. First up, we have a Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel. Coming in at around $282, this will caught my eye with its ergonomic design and solid reputation. If you want an immersive racing experience on your PC or Xbox, this is worth a serious look. The G920 simulates the feeling of driving a real car, thanks to its immersive force feedback and pressure-sensitive pedals. With a 900-degree rotation, you can execute wide turns just like an F1 racer, and a hand-stitched leather cover adds a touch of luxury. Plus, it's got 16 buttons, so all your controls are right there at your fingertips. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The realistic feel makes those high-speed chases and tight corners more thrilling and lifelike, boosting your overall gaming experience. Now, some people complained about the lack of compatibility with PlayStation consoles. Here's the thing though, if you're strictly a PC or Xbox player, that won't matter one bit. This wheel is a powerhouse for those platforms. This is perfect for you if you're a serious racer looking for a high-quality experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're not into racing games or looking for a budget option. It offers great value for the quality you get. Now, if the G920's lack of PlayStation compatibility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with cross-platform capabilities. Product number 2, Logitech G29 Driving Force. Next up is the Logitech G29 Driving Force, priced at around $280. This model is similar to the G920, but geared towards PlayStation users. If you're a fan of PlayStation 4 or 5, this racing wheel is worth considering. Like the G920, the G29 offers immersive force feedback and a 900-degree rotation, which means you can feel every bump and drift when racing. The pressure-sensitive pedals are adjustable, giving you a responsive braking feel you can't overlook. Plus, it comes with 16 buttons for easy control across various games. Here's why this matters. The detailed feedback makes your racing experience way more engaging, perfect for those high-stakes moments. However, I did find some users mention that it requires a bit of calibration out of the box. But here's the thing, once you get set up right, you're in for an awesome ride. It's not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're a PlayStation gamer wanting a solid racing experience. Skip this one if you only play on Xbox or want something really budget-friendly. For what it offers, it's a strong value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking next-gen features. Product number 3, Logitech G923 Racing Wheel. Now let's talk about the Logitech G923 Racing Wheel, priced at about $350. This one really stands out with its TrueForce technology, which caught my attention immediately. If you're aiming for the most realistic racing experience, this is a worthy investment. This will connect directly to game engines, providing high-definition feedback at 4,000 times per second. Imagine feeling every little detail of the track as you race. The programmable dual clutch is a game-changer for competitive racing, making your launches cleaner and faster. Plus, you get a built-in LED RPM indicator that keeps you on track during those intense races. Here's why this matters for you. Having that level of control can help you shave off precious seconds from your lap times. Some users did mention that it's a bit pricier compared to its predecessors. But here's the thing. If you're serious about racing, the added realism can be worth the extra bucks. This is perfect for you if you're really into immersive racing simulations and want the best tech available. Skip this one if you're just starting out or don't need all the advanced features. Overall, it's a solid investment for serious racers. Next up, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, check out this next one. Product number 4, Hori Racing Wheel Apex. Next on the list is the Hori Racing Wheel Apex, which is quite a steal at around $115. What really caught my attention here is its affordability without sacrificing performance. If you're just getting into racing games, this could be your go-to option. This wheel is compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and PC, giving you flexibility. It features a full-size racing wheel with a 270-degree turn radius, which is great for beginners. The sturdy clamp system ensures it stays in place during those intense races. Here's why this matters. The adjustable output options can help you find the perfect sensitivity, making it easier to control your car as you learn the ropes. However, some users mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to more expensive models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it delivers a solid racing experience that can't be beat if you're on a budget. This is perfect for you if you're new to racing games and want something that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features or pro-level performance. It's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if you're looking for a wheel that offers advanced features with a premium feel, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 5, Thrustmaster T300RS GT. Finally, we have the Thrustmaster T300RS GT, priced at about $400. This racing wheel is all about that true sim racing immersion. If you want to feel every nuance of the road, this is the one you should consider. The belt-driven motor provides incredibly smooth and precise force feedback. You'll feel every bump, curb, and drift, making your racing experience as realistic as possible. Plus, it comes with a 3-pedal GT set, which improves your control over acceleration and braking. Here's why this matters. The accuracy of this system helps build your confidence on the track, letting you drive more consistently. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy, especially during intense racing sessions. But here's the thing. The performance it delivers is worth the minor noise, especially if you're serious about sim racing. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced racer looking for a top-tier experience. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a budget, as it's priced higher. Still, it provides incredible value for dedicated sim racers. So there you have it. We looked at 5 amazing racing wheels. The Logitech G920 and G29 for console fans. The G923 with its cutting-edge features, the budget-friendly Hori racing wheel, and a high-performance Thrustmaster T300RS GT. Each offers something unique depending on your needs and budget. Choose wisely and happy racing.